This lesson is on determining the best method to solve a linear system. We have three major methods we use, and we're going to talk about which time each is best. First, we have the graphing method. The graphing method is best when y is already solved for in both equations. For example, y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals 1/2 x minus 2. If you have graph paper in front of you, that's pretty easy to graph, so that would be a great method. It's also good when you want to tell when one quantity is greater than the other. If you're not just looking for one specific point, but you want to know when one is better than the other. Graphing method is also good when an approximate solution is appropriate. We also use it to check other methods because if you have a graphing calculator, it's pretty quick. The substitution method is best when one of the variables is already isolated. In this example, you see y is already by itself, so that would be a great method. It's also good when one of the variables has a coefficient of 1. For example, here you'll see that x has a coefficient of 1, and so it is easy to be solved for. In the addition and subtraction method, it's best when the like terms of the two equations are in the same order and on the same side of the equation. You'll see it's x plus y equals a whole number and x plus y equals a whole number. They're lined up, so that makes it already set up nicely for addition and subtraction. This is also a good method when the coefficients of at least one pair of variables are the same or opposites. You'll see here that we have 2x and 2x. Since they're the same, if we just subtract, the 2x's will cancel out. This is also a good method when no variable in either equation has a coefficient of 1. That would make it hard to use substitution, that would make it hard to graph, and so when that happens, the addition and subtraction method is your best bet.